Check it out. We're here in the 2014 to 19 Infiniti Q50. We've got wireless CarPlay on the screen. We can interact either using this original knob. Of course, it's going to be fully touchscreen as well. We've got factory Bluetooth paired down here. I'm going to show you in this video how to pair and set up CarPlay and configure your factory Bluetooth. This system is going to preserve all of your factory features. There's your original reverse and 360 camera, back to park, and we're right back into CarPlay. We're going to have a full overview and installation video for this product. Let's dive in now, and I'm going to show you how to pair and set it up. The first thing you need to do is you need to pair the factory Bluetooth. So the Hamilton upgrade kit is going to use your original Bluetooth audio on this Infiniti series. Go ahead and pull out your phone, open up settings and Bluetooth. On the main device here, we're going to come to audio, Bluetooth audio, control, connect device. We're going to go ahead and hit add new. And then it's going to say start the pairing process from your Bluetooth device. So now come on your Bluetooth device, locate this device named My Car. We'll allow contacts and favorites. And just like that, we are now paired to the factory Infiniti Bluetooth. We'll come back, audio, make sure the source mode is set to Bluetooth audio and you see your music playing. I've turned down the volume here so we don't accidentally have a copyright issue. Now we want to pair and set up CarPlay. Go ahead and long hold the back button on the steering wheel. It's the reverse arrow on the top of the steering wheel for 3 seconds. The Hamilton underlying operating system has come up. Now we're going to come here to Bluetooth, and you're going to see this device name starting with Hamilton. Now on your device, you're going to have as well an option here that'll say, do you want to turn on Auto Connect? I'd recommend you do turn on Auto Connect. On your phone here, you might need to quickly toggle Bluetooth off and on. Scroll to the bottom, you're going to see a Hamilton device. Go ahead and click on it here. Click Pair. Click Allow. And click Connect to CarPlay. And then hit Allow to Contacts and Favorites. And just like that, we have wireless CarPlay showing on the screen. We'll make sure the Infiniti Bluetooth is connected also. Select the audio device. Now both of these are connected, and we're good to go. You can see for audio and for CarPlay. Now let me show you what this would look like here. Let's say you turn the car off. And we'll go ahead and let everything auto-connect here. So CarPlay is going to automatically connect and come right up, and then the Infiniti system is going to boot up here. And just like you would in your car originally, you can see the Bluetooth has paired. Long hold that reverse button, and there it is, CarPlay right here. On your device, you'll have that setting to turn on auto connection, and if you turn that on, CarPlay will automatically connect and pop up on the screen. And that's it for the Hamilton upgrade kit in the Infiniti Q50. Two last settings that are very important for you to check. Once again, here in Hamilton, if you want your device to automatically pop up CarPlay on the screen, you're going to have a setting right here called auto connection on your production device. Make sure that is turned on. And here in settings, check that setup, system, use car's Bluetooth channel is turned on. That is our way of letting the Hamilton upgrade kit know to expect audio to come from your factory Bluetooth channel. Just like that, we're right back to CarPlay. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.